and what you just heard was Agbadza rhythms from West Africa adapted to the drum set. Agbadza is a style of music from the West African nations of Ghana, Togo, and Benin, and the Alorwoyie people that live in those nations. Agbadza is played at funerals to offer the deceased person a send-off into the next life. What I have done here is I've taken the various instruments from the Agbadza drumming ensemble and adapted them to different parts of the drum set. I have taken the main central timing rhythm, which is played on this iron double bell called the gankogui, and I've put it up on the ride cymbal. Normally, on the gankogui, the rhythm sounds like this. Ting, go, 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 go. There are many different ways you can hear this rhythm, and in different time signatures and from different starting points, but it's important to hear it grounded in this pulse of 4. It's 12/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have put that rhythm up on the bell of the ride cymbal. Next, I have taken a rhythm that singers who are singing songs while the drumming happens, they're clapping a constant polyrhythm of 6/4 over this music. So while we're still hearing this main pulse of 4, they're clapping like this. They're going ting, go, 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 ting, go, 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 go. So I have put that rhythm onto the hi-hat with my left foot. Together, the bell and the clapping part go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, on the snare drum, as rim clicks, I will introduce a rhythm played on this smallest supporting drum, known as a kagan. This drum plays an ostinato throughout the entire piece, and it goes like this. 2, 3, 4. So I'll play that as rim clicks. Together, these 3 parts go like this. Next, I would like to introduce the dialogue between the lead drum, which is known as sogo and is played with 2 bare hands, and the support drum, which is known as kidi and is played with sticks. There are many, many rhythms, hundreds of rhythms, probably even thousands of rhythms in the traditional repertoire that the master drummers know and the support drummers know how to respond to. For this video, I'm going to be demonstrating one and how to put it onto the drum set. This particular rhythm goes gajite gede jiji, gajite gede jiji, gajite gede jiji. Out of context, that can easily sound to many people as being in this kind of timing. Gajite gede jiji, gajite gede jiji. But once put with the whole ensemble, it falls over 2 cycles of 12/8 and goes like this. Gajite gede jiji, gajite gede jiji, gajite gede jiji. The way you play this on sogo goes like this. When the drum plays the last 2 notes, G, gajite, gede, G, those 2, the response drummer answers with kidi, so it goes gajite, gede, G, gajite, gede, G, gajite, gede, G, and fills in with mutes while it's not playing the open strokes. Together, the 2 parts go like this. Next, what I've done to put these on drum set is to take the tones that are happening among these 2 drums and to try and reflect those tones on my toms, my snare drum with the snares off, and my bass drum. The way I've done this particular phrase, gajite, gede, jiji, is like this. So this is a composite rhythm between the master drum part, the sogo part, and the kidi support drum part. Together, with the bell part and the clapping rhythm, It goes like this. Lastly, I'm going to play this rhythm for you with a traditional beginning cue and a traditional ending cue. These both come from the Sogo master drum. The beginning cue is a rolling rhythm that can be highly improvised but generally goes something like this. Goes generally like that. And the ending rhythm goes like this on the Sogo. So the way I put these two rhythms onto Drumset, the rolling rhythm, I'll play the rolling rhythm, which is the cue for the beginning. I'll play between the floor tom and the bass drum. 2, 3, 4. The ending rhythm I will also play between the floor tom and the bass drum. Now I'm going to perform this rhythm of Agbadza for you, and I will play it with the rolling introduction cue. I'll get into the main lead drum dialogue, and then I will end it with the traditional ending cue. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Ben Paulding, and that was Agbadza Rhythms for the Drumset.